Today we're gonna do again some exercise about wheels, because a lot of times people have difficulties about wheels. So instead of sketching a whole car stuff, let's see again how we're gonna place our wheels in perspective correctly. Okay, so first of all, don't forget that when we have a side view, so we are in side view. Okay, let's make it quick. Let's imagine that this is a sketch of a car. Side view, it's a circle. Perfect circle. And as you remember, in side view, we have always perspective of our wheels on the other side with our shadow. Okay? So now, if I want to draw those wheels in perspective, looking at this car, for example, from a top view, top view will be something from side view to top view. You can see already here that the wheels from circles, they become sort of ellipses. Now, the minor axis, as you can see, of my ellipse goes not straight, but it's converging to a vanishing point. Okay, so I draw those two lines like that, and I start making my car. Then I take this point, which is the end of my car on top, I bring it down so that I know where I stop the top part. Now don't forget that I always have to put the perspective. That's why this point here on the other side, it's gonna be here and not here, here. It's coming back like that. So this will be first attempt of our car in top view. And as you can see, the wheels are ellipses with the minor axis going to the vanishing point there. Okay, now I'll take a marker just to give you a better look. Let's put this shadow. The shadow, of course, goes that way under the car because of perspective. Here the shadow is just basically a line because it's a side view. Here I would have the reflection of the glass. And here we have the same reflection here. Okay? The other thing we have to add is the reflection on top. Okay, so here we're gonna put a little bit of wheel well, just a little, because we don't see really much because of perspective. Okay, so this is in the top view. Now, when we use, when we want, oops, let's change paper. Now, when we want to do the same thing in perspective, 3/4 front or 3/4 back, to go fast, first of all, let's do this. And as you can see, the wheel has the minor axis It's going to that vanishing point. Now let's put the other. Say it's gonna be more or less there. So minor axis going always to that vanishing point. You see? Now what's happened with the shadow? The shadow will go under the car here. So if I take my marker, let's see how this quick sketch going to look. I also fix a little bit while I'm doing it. And there you go. Now here in the back we could open. You know, I mean, you can do whatever you want. Reflection on top. And because we are on the back, you know what? We can take just a red marker and we can do something cool. Like that. To put some lights, why not? See, it looks like a nice sketch. Quick, very quick. Okay, so this is a 3/4 back. Now we can do very quickly 3/4 front. And of course, I always look at my side view as a reference. Okay, here we can just add that because it gives the idea of what we did with our graphics. You see? When you look at all this, it makes sense. It's all, I would say, the same car. Okay, so now let's see the front. And this time the front we're going to make a different type of perspective. We're going to do something like this one, you see? Where we really see a very, very tiny ellipse, but a lot of the front, okay? Very exciting perspective. You see the wheels? Minor axis, it's going to that vanishing point there. Okay, so very quickly we did wheels, you know, in side view, top view, 3/4 back classic view, and the 3/4 front a little bit more dynamic view. Okay, I hope that you like this little demo to help you in sketching wheels. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.